Here is the quickest and easiest way to find the center of the width of a wood board. On the screen, you see the wood board. Its edge 1 on the left and its edge 2 is on the right. It is assumed that these edges are parallel to each other. First, place your set square with its side KL, flush against edge 1 of the wood board. Draw lines AB and CD. Next, place your set square with its side KL flush against edge 2 of the wood board. Make sure that the side LM of the set square is flush with line AB. Now draw the line EF. The center of the wood board is where the two lines CD and EF intersect. Like I said, the quickest and easiest, wasn't it? Thank you for watching my project. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hopefully it gave you some good ideas for your own work. There will be another project shortly. I do hope to see you there.